When making your Works Cited references list using the APA format, one of the critical items you have to do is make sure that each of your references has what's called a hanging indent. So here before you, you see a Works Cited document that's been properly typed up using the MLA format. Note that the title is at the top and it is centered, and the reference here is left-aligned. Also notice that it is in a plain Calibri size 11 font. There is no additional formatting other than the italics for the title of the book that's referenced here. And that's important to keep it plain and simple and clean. So the last thing we have to do here is add a hanging indent. So one of the things that is a good standard practice is to turn on the ability to see the marks. You'll notice instead of spaces we see dots in the middle here. We also see a big backwards P at the end signifying the paragraph. Note that all formatting dealing with the paragraph, not the characters, not the words, but the paragraph, are contained in this backwards P for this paragraph. Anyway, once we're in the paragraph, we're going to go up to the ruler. Up on the top of the ruler we have our first line indent. Down below on the second bottom, the little triangle, is our second line indent. So there's the first line of the paragraph, and then there's the second, which also includes any third or fourth lines that we can change how much it indents on the margin. The bottom here, little box here, moves both the first line and the second line indent. So we're going to move that all the way to 1/2 inch. Notice how the entire reference moves in 1/2 inch. Then we're going to grab the top marker on the left hand, the left indent, and we're going to drag it all the way back to the original location there. And there you have it, a hanging indent. Notice that a hanging indent is the opposite of a paragraph indent. A paragraph indent would have the first line indented and every second, third, and following line not.